Good morning, student. Welcome back to YouTube channel of Gyanvanji Model English School. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 of science, part of the plant and their functions. Okay, student. In previous lecture, we have completed our chapter. Yes, student. Chapter number 3. Today we will do hard work. Okay. Page number 166, 167 and 158. So let's start hard work of this lesson. Hard work. Page number 166 to 167. Yes. इससे पहले के पेज के मैं प्रीवियस लेक्चर में करवा चुकी हूँ. यस, तो 166 फर्स्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CARVON कार्बन DIOXIDE कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Carbon dioxide. Next is chlorophyll. 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 Next is third photosynthesis. PHOTO. Photo or SYNTHESIS. Photosynthesis. PHOTOSYNTHESIS. Next is fourth oxygen. 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 Next is botanical. 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 Next, six mushroom. MUSHROOMS. Mushrooms. Next, mold. Moldus. MOULDS. Okay, moldus. Next, nectar. 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 Next is pollen. 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 Next, broom. BLOOM. Broom. Next, pollination. 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 Next, transfer. 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 Next, protect. 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 Next, mustard. 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 Next, nutritious. 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 Next, crushing. CRUSHING. oil. E-D-I-B-L-E. Edible, O-I-L, oil. Next is squeezing. Squeeze, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Okay, friend. Let us revise again. First, CARBON, carbon. DIOXIDE, oxide, carbon dioxide. Next, CHLORO, chloro. PH by double N, chlorophyll. Next, PHO, TO, auto. SIN, photosynthesis. Next, OX by oxy, GEN, gen, oxygen. Next, BOTA or TAN, NiCAN, botanical. Next, MUSS, mus, RWMS, mushroom. Next, MOULDS, molds. Next, NECTAR, nectar. Next, POLLEN, pollen. Next, BLWM, blow. Next, POLLINETION, pollination. Next, TRANSFER, transfer. PROTECT, protect. MUSTARD, mustard. NUTRIDIOUS, nutritious. CRUSHING, crushing. ADIVLE, edible. OIL, oil. edible oil, जो हम खाते हैं ऑयल उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? edible oil. ओके, we will use for cooking. We will use oil for cooking, that is edible oil. Okay, next, SQUEEZING is squeezing. Note down, student, hard word. Have you written, student? Now we will do text exercise. Yes, first questions MCQs, that means choose the correct answer. Text exercise, question number 1, page 169. Question number 1. Correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. First, one A. Rice head, RICE, rice head blends roots. First option is tape. Next, second option fibrous, fibrous. Yes, third option, very long. Question number 1b. The blends take in water and minerals from the ground. Our first option is root. Second option, stem, and third option is leaves. Question number 1c. The banana plant has banana plant has are blades. First option is hard. Next, second option is soft. And third option is big. Next, question number 1d. Potatoes store food in the food in the stem. First option, roots, and second option, stem, and third option, leaves. Okay, now we will do solve questions. First, let us see first questions. Rice has roots. First step, second fibrous, third very long. So right answer is fibrous. कैसे रूट होती है राइस के पास? राइस fibrous. Example of fibrous root. Example of fibrous onion, rice, coriander. Yes. So rice has fibrous root. Right answer is second. Fibrous. Okay, fibrous roots. Next, the blends takes in water and minerals from the ground. First option root, second stem, and third leaf. So right answer is root. The root takes in water and mineral salt from the ground. Yes. So right answer first, root. Next, see, the banana plant has a stem. कैसी होती है स्टेम बनाना प्लांट की? फर्स्ट हार्ड, नो. सॉफ्ट, यस. कैसी होती है? वेरी सॉफ्ट. नो बीग. बीग किसकी होती है? क्रीपर एंड क्लाइंबर प्लांट की होती है. वेरी बिग स्टेम. एंड and hard stem of a tree such as mango tree, banana tree, neem tree, jamun tree and so on. Okay, so banana plant has soft stems. Right answer second. Potatoes. Potato store food in the roots. No, roots में store नहीं करता है. Leaves no, leaves में नहीं करता. Leaves में store कौन करता है? Cabbage, spinach, है ना? Coriander, एक मेन, ये सभी अपना फूड लीव्स में स्टोर करते हैं. और रूट्स में कौन स्टोर करता है? कैरट, यस, टर्निप और स्टेम में पोटैटो. यस, तो पोटैटो स्टोर फूड इन द स्टेम. ओके फ्रेंड, स्टूडेंट इज नोट डाउन. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर इन योर नोटबुक. Have you written, student? नेक्स्ट हमारा ई. अभी जी के बाद ई रह गया है अपना एमसीक्यू. ई का भी आपको भी करना है. ओके, तो ई क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ही ई है. The leaves use blends to prepare food. First option oxygen, and second option water, and third option carbon dioxide. Yes, so student, leaves used to prepare food, oxygen no. फूड प्रिपेयर करने के टाइम लीव्स क्या है, ऑक्सीजन का यूज नहीं करती है. वो ब्रीथिंग टाइम में करते हैं ऑक्सीजन का यूज. ओके, ऑक्सीजन टेकन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये मैंने पहले प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था. ओके, एंड वाटर. यस, लीव्स यूज वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एयर से लेती है थ्रू द स्टोमेटा. ओके, किसके द्वारा लेते हैं? वो स्टोमेटा के द्वारा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कहां से लेते हैं? एयर से. ओके, सो लीव्स यूज वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, सो हियर इज टू ऑप्शन राइट. फर्स्ट, second option and third option. So we will write here water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay, CarbonDioxide. Leaves use water and carbon dioxide to prepare food. प्रिपेयर मतलब तैयार, फूड को तैयार करने के लिए वाटर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज करते हैं, कौन, लीव्स। ओके, नाउ we will move next questions. Now we will move on next question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Question number 2A. Blanks and blanks. Store food. Store food in the roof. Question number 2B. Blanks store food in the stand. Store in the stand. Next, C. Blanks and blanks, blanks and blanks are plant with big stem. Plant with big stem. Next, D. Blanks tree head, wide, spreading, branches. Next, E. Blanks are the most colorful part of a plant. Okay, blanks are the most colorful part of a plant. Now let us do fill in the blanks. First, blanks and blanks store food in the roots. So answer is carrot and beetroots. Okay, carrots and beetroots. Next, blanks store food in the stem. So potato, ginger and sugarcane. Yes, so answer is potatoes, gingers and sugarcane store food in the stem. Gingers and sugar cane. Okay. Stores food in the stem. Blends and blends are planted with big stem. So creepers and climbers. Climbers and creepers. Okay, are planted with big stem. Blends fish head wide spreading branches. So answer is mango. Mango tree. Mango tree head. Mango tree head wide spreading branches. Plants are the most colorful part of a plant. So answer is flowers. Flowers are the most colorful part of a plant. Okay, student? Student, note down, fill in the blanks in your notebook. Have you written, student? Now we will do remaining exercise in next video, question number 3 and question number 4. True, false and answer the following question. And question number 5, fill in the box with the help of clues given. Okay? Homework note down, student. Today's homework is write hard words, page number 166 to 168. Okay. And FB fill in the blanks. FB MCQ of lesson 3 in your notebook. In your notebook. One time. Okay, write hard work page number 162 to 168 and every MCQ of lesson 3 in your notebook one time. Homework note down, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.